In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a VAT compliant invoice using Zoho Books specifically for the UAE. This step-by-step guide will make sure that your invoicing process is not only seamless, but also adheres to all VAT regulations in the region. First off, you'll need to log into your Zoho Books account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Look up to the top navigation bar and click on Sales. This is where you'll find all sales-related functionalities, including invoices. After clicking Sales, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Invoices. This will take you to the Invoices section where you can manage all your current and past invoices. Next, you'll choose a draft invoice that you've already started working on. If you haven't created a draft yet, don't worry, we'll get to that. For now, let's focus on drafts that are in progress. Now you'll click on the Edit button once you've selected a particular invoice. This enables you to customize or complete the invoice details to ensure compliance with the VAT requirements. The next step is to click on Tax. This is crucial because calculating the right tax is a key component of creating a compliant invoice. After clicking, you'll be prompted to select the appropriate tax rate. Make sure your selection complies with the UAE's VAT regulations, generally 5%, unless specific conditions apply. Once you've configured these settings, it's time to save your work. Click on Save or Save and Send if you intend to email the invoice immediately. Choosing Save will keep it as a draft for later review. If this is your first time creating an invoice, you will then click on Create Invoice to start a new one. In creating a fresh invoice, it begins with entering your customer details. So click on Customer Name and select from your existing clients or add a new one. It's essential to get this right as it ensures that the invoice goes to the correct recipient. Follow this by selecting the customer's location. This helps in determining any specific tax implications related to the customer's geographical location. Continue with filling out fields like invoice number and order number. These are crucial for tracking the transaction within your records. Also, don't forget invoice date and due date. These will define the timeline for payment and assist both you and your customer in cash flow management. To further fine-tune the invoice, specify terms for how payment should be made. This could be net 30, net 15, or as agreed with your customer. Then clicking on Accounts Receivable and selecting the correct account ensures the amounts are channeled properly in your financial records. For assigning accountability, click on Salesperson and input the relevant team member. Adding a subject line gives an overview of what's being billed and its purpose. Next, dive into the item details. Here you will input each product or service along with their respective VAT rates. Don't miss out adding notes in customer notes and fine print under terms and conditions. These sections are vital for any additional information or legal text. Once everything looks good, consider payment methods. By clicking on the drop-down, you can select an online payment option to get paid faster, a feature that is especially helpful in today's digital-first business environment. Finally, don't forget to click on Save as Draft or Save and Send to finalize your invoice. Saving as a draft allows for further adjustments, while Save and Send sends it out to the customer immediately. That wraps up our tutorial on creating a VAT-compliant invoice in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out more of our tutorials for seamless business operations.